Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to insert image into a cell in Microsoft Excel, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let us say I have this cluster of cells which I have merged and I need to insert an image here. All I need to do is go to the Insert tab, click on Illustrations, click on Pictures, and let's say I need to pick a picture from this device. So I'll pick it and then I'll go to desktop and I'll pick this picture. Once this is inserted, I can change its size to make it fit the cell. This is the only way I can insert a picture into a cell, because if I try it otherwise, then I will not be able to insert the picture at all. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comments section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.